Hello everyone, Kanika Jain here from Handmade by Kanika, and in this video I shall be unboxing my Crafters Corner haul. But before moving forward, what you gotta do is make sure you hit the subscribe button to our channel and turn on the bell notification bell so you never miss an update from us. So let's get started. And that's how my parcel looks like. So the most asked question to me all over the social media, be it on WhatsApp, on Instagram, or on YouTube, is that from where do I procure my cardstocks and the paper crafting stuff. So I thought let's make an unboxing haul from where I get my cardstocks and what all cardstocks do I use to make my paper crafting projects. So in this video you shall be seeing my cardstock collection as well as some paper packs and as well as some washi tapes. So let's open it up. And yeah, if you want to buy any of these craft supplies, you can check out the description box, as I have linked all these craft supplies which I am showing in this video in the description box. So the first thing which I have is this B6000. So it's a liquid adhesive. Okay, so talking about the next product, so here I have the dark blue satin ribbon twine from Dress My Craft. Next with me I have these super strong 10mm magnets. And then I got myself a lot of washi tapes from Crafters Corner. So let me show you each design so that you know how does these look. So here I have this orange color washi tape and it has got some beautiful background on the white shade, and soon you will be seeing videos coming up on our channel on how to use these up. So the next one is this, which has the script which is Live Love. The next one is this one. It has got the wood grain effect in the pink shade. And the next one is this, which has these alphabets written, and this would be perfect for your baby projects. And glitters are always love, so I have this golden glitter. And all these washi tapes are from G Studio, and the links to buy all these is in description box. So this one has a script which says hello. These washi tapes are so colorful, and as well I love the sentiment or the pattern which they have, and these can be used in various different ways. So I'm planning to make a video. If you want to see a detailed video, please do comment down below and I shall definitely make a new video soon. And then I have the last washi tape which I got for myself. This is the cutest one, which is With Love. It has that script all over. Now let's move on to the cardstocks and the pattern papers which I have. So let me clear up my space little bit. So before moving on to the cardstocks, I just got myself the Dress My Craft Me collection, and I got all these 3 paper pads. So later in this video you will see me showing up them in detail, so make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss out on anything. So here I have the metallic gold cardstock from Dress My Craft. It is a pack of 10 sheets of 12 by 12 size and 250 GSM. So I use these a lot. So for my baby projects, I use these pastel blue textured cardstock from Dress My Craft. It is a pack of 10 sheets again, and these are of 300 GSM. Similarly, I have the pastel yellow textured cardstock, and it is as well pack of 10 sheets of 300 GSM of 12 by 12. And similarly here I have the pastel pink textured cardstock, and these are the 3 cardstocks which I use for my baby projects. So now talking about the white cardstock, here I have the premium white cardstock from Dress My Craft. This is of 240 GSM and of the size 12 by 12. And then talking about the black cardstock, so here I have the smooth black cardstock. This is of 300 GSM and is a pack of 10 sheets. And now moving on to the iris paper, so here I have this 270 GSM 12 by 12 size iris paper. Another variation in the iris paper is this one. This is of the 160 GSM, so you can choose along as per your wish. Now let's move on to the paper pads which I showed earlier in this video. So here I have the first one. This is the Little Star Me collection paper pad from Dress My Craft, and so that's a new range with Dress My Craft launch, and you can see all the 12 designs here. And It is of 210 GSM and it has 24 papers in it. Here's the second design, which is this chirping birds, and these are as well acid and lignin free. And you have 12 pattern paper design and 2 sheets each, so in total you have 24 sheets in one paper pad. The third design which they launched is this My Princess, and it's a very amazing paper pad. Trust me, I just love all three of these. And if you're a beginner and looking out for some paper pads which are very reasonable, you can buy these out definitely. So that's all for this video. I hope to see you all again with another video. Till then, happy crafting.